Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 1st, 2021. This is going to be our RUNE price prediction update into the market. We need to see if something needs to happen before we can continually see the price in RUNE explode. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is the spot, the location that you're going to get the realest price predictions in the cryptocurrency space, all without being confused. So make sure you keep it locked in here. Subscribe to this channel because you're going to get the heads up as to where price is going to go before he even gets there, so that you can win alongside with us and everyone on our team. So we definitely look forward to everyone coming in and participating on our team to ensure that we beat everyone else. So make sure you guys do that before you head out. So you guys can see, we did a price prediction in RUNE not long ago. I mean, look at this. We told everyone on September the 11th, 2021 to be prepared for RUNE to go down in price. You guys can see it. And it did. Right there towards the end of September 2021, the market came precisely where we said it would go right before we saw the price go up. Did you all see the same thing in September? Did you see it? Because if so, this is how you're able to win. This is how you're able to have the competitive advantage over everyone else, because they didn't see it then, but we did. So we got that 21.25% out the market right before RUNE went up in price. We didn't overstay our welcome. We said once the market in RUNE came down to $7, we're going to take the bag, take the bread, and move on to the next play. Did you all do the same thing? Because now the market in RUNE is trading up there around $16. So let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of it. We're going to revamp the price chart to see where is the next move going to be. Are we going to continue to see RUNE go up, or are we going to see the price go down? So let's take a look at this first. Now, we already saw a problem, right? We already saw an issue, and let me show it to you. It is right here in RUNE. Okay, now I'm telling you this right now on the first day of November. We won't see the price in RUNE go up until we see it break $17. That's the last time it even happened back here in April of 2021. The price in RUNE could not break above $17. Here we are now, bouncing and hitting our head right there at $17. Guess what? That is now the issue. So don't expect the price in RUNE to go up until we see price break $17. That is when the explosion is going to continue higher in price for this market. We have to see it break $17, plain and simple. So given that that's the case, we need to identify, okay, since we're expecting the market in RUNE to bump its head at $17, how low can we take the price and still expect us to get an explosion throughout November, December timeframe? Right? We need to see where support can be. Maybe it's at $15, maybe it's at $14, maybe it's at $13. Let's try to make a determination to see where it is, because we can definitely tell where the market is willing to prop up RUNE's price to allow it to continue to go higher, right? So check this out. Let me show you all the weekly time frame into the market in RUNE, and it's not really definitive. I'm seeing $14, $15 definitely for us to hold price in RUNE to allow us to break 17 to higher prices. As long as the price in RUNE is able to trade above $15, no lower than 13, we can expect the market to continue to go up, right? We can. Let's see what the market did on the monthly time frame in RUNE, because this is where it's at, right? This is why we're still expecting the market in RUNE to continue to exceedingly go higher. It might even make all-time highs to conclude 2021. Let me show you why. Look at this. During the month of September, right, we saw the weakness coming to RUNE. But in October, look at that very wide spread. I mean, there wasn't nothing stopping RUNE's price from closing at the high of the bar at $15 last month. Nothing. I mean, the volume wasn't even heavy. So there wasn't a lot of selling going on into the market in RUNE. And here we are today, starting the first day of November, and price is already hitting $17. This lets me know that $17 is not going to be a big issue in RUNE going forward because of what happened in October. That very wide spread and us closing at the high of the bar lets me know that this market may in fact try to make all-time highs. It might. But the first problem is $17. All right. So I like what happened into the market in RUNE to conclude October. It kind of lets me know that this price is still strong and that we're going to continue to look forward to higher prices. All right. This is the 2 weeks time frame. Look what happened over the last 2 weeks right here. The market in RUNE closed on a high. which is why we're still seeing the continuation of higher prices on this current 2-week price bar. The market is giving us everything we need to know already. It's telling us what people think, and all we have to do is interpret it to see where they're trying to go next. Now, let me give you this though, because this is a very wide ground of us to see the price in RUNE move, right? We have $17 as restriction, and this ascending line will have to act as support. So even if we were to see a big bout of selling coming to the market in RUNE, right, we had to be prepared and see it come all the way back down to that ascending line. Like, that's a chance that we can still see. So I don't want you to get you all comfortable and think that the price is not able to come back down to this ascending line, because it still can. I'm not looking at it right now though, but I mean, give me a 5-10% chance of that happening. Now, I'm looking at $12, no lower than 11. Okay, I know I told you all 13, but I'm changing it to 11. No lower than $11 when we have the opportunity for RUNE to continue to break out to the upside in price. All right, so let me go ahead and run this price prediction in RUNE. Okay, go ahead and run this because we're still expecting the price to go up. Now, initially, from the outset, yeah, be prepared for the price to go down. So let me show you how low the price in RUNE cannot break below in order for us to see this probability of upward movement to happen in RUNE. Okay. So I'm doing around $12. Okay, $12. We cannot see the market price in RUNE go no lower than $12 in order for us to have the ability to see price break $17 to the upside. Okay, got it? No lower than 12. So even if we were to see the price drop from out the gate, I'm cool with that as long as price holds above 12. So now, given that that's the case, we're going to take the ultimate price in RUNE all the way up there towards the all-time high price. Okay, now obviously in between where price is at right now to the all-time high, we're going to take the bag in between, right? We don't want to become greedy. We don't want to overstay our welcome. We want to be in position, grab the bag at these certain spots, and then move on to the next play. Our ultimate grab bag is up there around all-time highs, around $21.10 though. All right, so let me show you this on the 11-hour time frame so we can try to gauge where will be the next area of taking the bag into the market in RUNE, and it's going to be here a little bit higher above $17, maybe $17.50 to $18. That's the first spot for us to eat off this market. Okay, so $17.50 to 18. So that's about 12.45% profitability into the market in RUNE. Second area is going to be around 19, okay, which is around 18.88% profitability in that market move. And then ultimately all the way up here towards all-time highs, okay, which is around 33%. So we have $21.28 ultimately. Second area is around $19. First area is 18. Got it? First area, 18. Second area, $19.03. Third area, $21.28. Those are all the three spots that will be taking the bag from the market in RUNE. All right. So now the only problem that I have, the only issue that we all see is $17. So be prepared for us to not break that immediately. Expect the market to go through a little bit of weakness, selling go on. But as long as you're able to maintain price above 12, the price in RUNE from our perspective is expected to continue to go up. All right, so that's it. I'm done. That was your turn. I didn't give you anything confusing. I didn't talk about no technical indicators. I didn't give you both sides of the play, telling you that this is the bear case, this is the bull case. No, we are looking at what people are thinking in RUNE right now, and they're bullish. So why would we try to give you the bear case? The market is trying to go somewhere in RUNE, and we're going to make sure that we're going to be there before them so that we can win. So now, drop me your price prediction in RUNE right now. Let me know where do y'all think this price is going to go so that everyone on our team can see everyone's thoughts and see which one is likely to occur. I did mine, so now it's your turn. Call the markets with me. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.